myself. My name is Van Amelia, NPM 2341209. On this occasion, we will discuss business law, which is one of the important aspects that is the basis for every business activity, trade, and modern economic activity. Business law is not just about rules, but also about how business can run safely, orderly, and provide benefits for all parties. Legal definition. Law is a set of rules created by authorities and binding to regulate human behavior in society. The purpose of law is to create order, justice, and certainty so that every individual and business actor can conduct their activities safely and orderly. Without law, society would face just due to the lack of clear boundaries between right and obligation. Legal objectivities. The purpose of law is to ensure that society lives in order by defining the right and obligation of each individual for term. Our law serves as a mechanism for resolving conflict and providing protection for injured parties in a business context. Law provides certainty so that transactions proceed safely. Sources of law. The sources of law is the basis used to formulate rules. Each party's source of law can come from statutes, custom, court discussion, jurisprudence, treaties, or the opinion of legal experts. All of these sources are used to meet the needs of society and the business world. Legal character instinct. Regulatory and coercive in nature, applicable to all, have restrictions, can change according to community needs. Types of law. Written law, acts, government regulation, unwritten law, custom, tradition, provide civil and public criminal law, national and international law. And understanding business law. Business law can be interpreted as a branch of law that regulates all trade, industrial activities, and economic transactions. These rules cover various aspects such as agreement or contract, business entity, from consumer protection, taxation, employment, and resolving business disputes. The main goal is to provide certainty, security, and justice for all parties involved. With the extent of business law, companies can make transactions without fear of being harmed, and consumers can feel safer when buying products or using certain service. The importance of business law. Why is business law so important? There are several main reasons. First, business law provides certainty in transaction in the business world. Every agreement must be clear and binding. Without law, business can run chaotically and be prone to fraud. Second, business law have reduced risk and conflict both between sellers and buyers, between companies and employees. And third, business law ensures protection for two parties and owns business people and consumer. That's why the market becomes healthier. Apart from that, business law also regulates rights and obligations so that each parties know their respective responsibilities. This is the foundation for creating a fair, safe, and sustainable business climate. Scope of business law. Business law is very broad. Some of the main scopes are contract law, which regulates agreement between parties. Company law, such as regulation regarding PT, CV, and other business entities. Trade, including buying and selling transaction, export, import, and distribution of goods. Intellectual property rights to protect brand, work, and innovation. Taxation, which regulates corporate tax obligation. Employment related to work relation and worker protection. Bankruptcy, which regulates a company when it is unable to pay debts. Consumer protection, which ensure goods and services are safe to us. This covers so that business law cover all aspects of a company journey from its inception to daily operation. Contract law in business. In the business world, agreement or contract are the most important element. A contract is an agreement between two or more parties that give rise to rights and obligations. For an agreement to be legally valid, it must meet the following conditions. 1. 3 is an agreement between the parties. 2. Ability to make agreement. 3. Uh, 3. There is a clear object for halal reasons. The types of contract in the business world are very diverse, such as sales and purchase contract, cooperation, contract rental, contract partnership contract, and investment contract. Without a clear contract, the risk of misunderstanding is enormous. Form of business entities. Next, we discuss the form of business entities. Each business must choose the form that best suits their goal and capabilities. Some common forms of business entities in Indonesia are a sole proprietorship. Managed by one person is simple, but the risks are borne entirely by the owner. From namely, a business with two or more people working together. CV, commendator, finance caps, a combination of active alias and passive alias. PT, limited liability company which has a separation of asset between the owner and the company, making it safer. And cooperative business entities based on the principle of togetherness and kinship. The difference lie in legal accountability, division of capital, and the level of risk that business actor must bear. Intellectual property right, IPR. In modern business, creativity and innovation have become valuable asset. Third, where we are familiar with intellectual property right (IPR), namely protection for the work ideas or innovation of business actor. IPR include trademark such as logo or business names, copyright for work of art, writing, songs, and design, patents for innovation and technologies, through industrial design such as packaging and product design, and with IPR business actors avoid plagiarism and can increase the value of their business. Employment law. Furthermore, three is employment law, which regulates the relationship between companies and employees. These rules include minimum wage and working hours and overtime, work leave, and occupational safety and health care, and work agreement, both PKWT and PKWTT, and layoff procedure, and labor law function to protect employees but still safeguard the company's interests so that work relation run harmoniously. Consumer protection. In the business world, consumers have the right to obtain products that are safe, of good quality, and according to information. The Consumer Protection Law provides several important rights such as a right to security and the right to correct information and right to cause and the right to receive compensation if you experience a loss. Meanwhile, business actors are obligated to provide products that are honest, safe, and not misleading. When this rule is ignored, disputes and lawsuits can arise. Business dispute relation. Not everything goes smoothly in business. Conflict can arise at any time. Therefore, there are several ways to resolve disputes. 1. Negotiation, namely direct settlement between parties. And 2. Mediation with the head of a third party. And 3. Arbitration, for example, through BANI, which is faster and more confidential. And 4. Litigation, namely the process in court. The goal is to resolve problems quickly, efficiently, and minimize loss for the parties involved. The importance of legal compliance. Companies that comply with the law and to be more trusted by customer, investor, and the government. Legal compliance also help companies avoid sanction, fine or suspension of business permits. In the long term, companies that have legal order will find it easier to develop, expand their business, and compete the global market. Risk of not complying with the law of, on the other hand, not complies but the law can cause various serious such as big fine, lawsuit, loss of consumer confidence, financial loss, and even bankruptcy. Example of cases such as product that harm consumer, trademark violation, contract failures, and even data leaks, so that business law is not just theory but directly affect daily companies' practice. Conclusion. And in conclusion, business law is the foundation that maintains order in an economic society by understanding the law of agreement, business entities, consumer protection, employment, and dispute resolution. Business actors can run their business more safely, professionally, and sustainably. Compliance with the law is not only an obligation but also an investment in the company's future. And I eat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.